Welcome sports fans and welcome back to another video and the only place where you guys can come to get the best and most interesting sports discussions on the internet. I'm Joe Mar.
I am Rush.
And this is This or That Sports TV.
That's right. So bro, what are we doing today?
Well, today we're going to speak about something that I'm very passionate about. As you guys might have already known, the national team is my favorite sports team of all time.
Yep.
The Jamaica national football team, otherwise known as the Reggae Boys, and most people dread international break. Like, oh, I can't wait till international break is finished so I can get back to club football. And yeah, domestic football is fun and all, but this is where I really enjoy my football, and it is that time again, guys. World Cup qualifying, back in action, and today we'll be breaking down the squad. So Theodore Whitmore released his 24-man squad.
He's 24. I think we could have had 27, but it's 24 man.
JFF look like them can buy 27 plane ticket.
It's not good here, bro.
That now go. So stay with us, guys. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and keep listening, keep watching.
Right. So let's get into it. Let's look at the goalkeepers first.
Alright, so the three goalkeepers that were called up, Andre Blake, Dylan Barnes, Jaden White. And I think the first two, Andre Blake, of course, our captain and the best Jamaican goalkeeper.
Automatic.
Yeah, he's
book a ticket. Type of vibe.
Yeah, he's going to play and he should play. And I don't believe that anybody else really competes with him for the spot. The second goalkeeper, Dylan Barnes, I think has not been playing a lot of football, but the level of football that he's at, QPR,
he's good enough.
Yeah, I think
he's good enough.
I think he should be called up. 6'4", agile, able to do what needs to be done.
I agree.
A good backup.
What about Jaden White? What do you feel about White?
I've never been a fan of goalkeepers under 6'1". That's the first thing. That's the first thing.
He's smart.
I just believe that you're automatically eliminated by being such a short goalkeeper. It's my opinion. But honestly speaking, I believe that there are other candidates that might be better suited for this call-up. One, and my favorite being Amal Knight. I think he should be the third string goalkeeper. And there are other candidates. There's Dwayne Miller. He's struggled with injury, so he's not been playing very consistent football. I
like Amal Knight too. White plays for Cavalier, right?
Yeah,
Cavalier won the Premier League. Right, so you think needs to be rewarded, bro? Why not? He's the best goalkeeper in Jamaica.
So that means
I'm just asking. What do you think? But I'm just giving you.
I think Amal Knight is the best.
On form.
Well, Amal Knight did not play in the JPL finals. Fine, but he shouldn't be punished because of his team. I think Amal Knight was being called before Amal Knight should continue being called, because Amal Knight is not a worse goalkeeper. And Jaden Knight is just not good like him.
I agree. So, I like Amal Knight, but I understand the selection. I don't agree with it, but I get it. I'm not mad at that one.
At the end of the day, the third string goalkeeper will never
play. I'm not mad at that one. Let's go to the defenders.
Who cares who wears the number 23? So, this time we welcome back Liam Moore. Happy to have him back. Adrian Mariappa, Damien Lowe, Kemar Lawrence, O'Neil Fisher, Greg Lee, and Alvas Powell. Those are our defenders. So you know the centre backs are Liam Moore, Adrian Mariappa, Damien Lowe. Those are the centre backs that are made
right out the gate, bro.
And Javon Watson can double as a centre back too. So that's not where my gripe is in this situation.
Yeah, where you feel about them now?
Or a left back situation, Kemar Lawrence, the best left back we have. But his backup, he has never had a backup, and this is the first time we're calling a backup left back in Greg Lee. I don't think Greg Lee is the best available backup wing back. I think we have Amari Bell, who is more competent and capable than Greg Lee.
I think he's better than Greg Lee.
He's better than Greg Lee, and we saw Amari Bell in the Gold Cup this
Amari Bell plays in the Championship, right?
Yeah, he plays in the Championship.
He plays in Scotland.
Yeah, we saw Amari Bell this summer, and I just think
I was impressed. I like Amari Bell.
So I'm not sure why Amari Bell is not in the team at left back. Get Amari Bell back in the team.
Bro, I've seen Javin Brown play on the left for Whitecaps. I saw it I think last week or 2 weeks ago. he whipped in a crazy ball and then got a pass to the assist.
Yeah,
for real, bro. I saw him on
Javin's Brown versatility is unparalleled, and I think he should be the right back in the team at this current moment. I'm a huge Alva Spoil fan, but Alva Spoil has not played since the last World Cup qualifying.
Injury, right?
Yeah, so Theodore Moore is a coach that will go with the soldiers that he's familiar with, and in our cases that's not a bad thing.
I understand it, I get it.
But Javin Brown should be called.
I don't like the Gregory one though. I don't like the Gregory one.
Yeah,
that one kind of annoys me. But let me hear the midfielders now.
Alright, so the midfielders that were called up, and this is where it gets murky, because what Jamaica has been doing for the past couple of years is we've been using midfielders, forwards interchangeably. So we've seen Junior Fleming play at the cam, we've seen Junior Fleming play in the centre mid, we've seen Junior Fleming play out wide. So it's not clear cut as to who we are considering our midfielders. But what I can say for certain is that Javon Watson, Anthony Grant, Devon Williams, and Ravel Morrison, those are for sure 4 midfielders, and the only 4 I would say out and out midfielders that are in the squad. Lamar Walker has been introduced to the squad. You know, a winger can play in the midfield. We also have Bobby Reed, that's a winger that can play in midfield, that can do both. I don't think Lamar Walker is good enough to make it into the team at this current juncture.
He's playing, bro. I would personally have Tariq Magee over him, but it will be hard. Tariq Magee is struggling with game time. Lamar Walker is good enough. Both of them may be the same level of player.
I disagree.
You think Magee is far better than Lamar Walker?
Not necessarily far better than Lamar Walker, but then after Ravel Morrison, who creates for us?
Right.
Who does that job for us? I guess we'll be
Daniel Johnson, bro.
Daniel Johnson, I cannot speak to that admission.
I don't get it. I don't understand that. But Tapa does some things, you know, bro. And every squad, I look at them and say, why? But you have that with every selection still, you know. Even when we qualify and go to the when we qualify and go to the World Cup, we will be looking at the squad and saying, what?
So I hope not.
No, we will. And we do it every single squad.
Just pick the right squad, Tapa.
Tapa won't do it.
So we have Javon East, we have Kemal Roof, Michael Antonio back, and Leon Bailey introduced to the squad, which is good news. What I would have done differently as it relates to the midfielders and the attackers, omitted Lamar Walker, introduced Tariq Magee.
What about Daniel Johnson?
Oh yeah, so Daniel Johnson would definitely be introduced to the team. We have Javon East, another forward. We are completely overflowed with forwards. I don't think we need Javon.
Put that in the squad.
Well, Anthony Grant has done a job.
You know my favorite defensive midfielder already, Javon Watson. I like Javon Watson, bro. I know that you prefer Grant, but I think Javon Watson does something that Grant can't do. The way he slats in the back, bro, when they're defending. Anthony Grant don't have that in his game, bro. But we move. We move. We can't have everybody.
We can't have everybody. Yeah, so other notable omissions, Lambert, you know, I think he had a crack to get into the team.
And around the squad.
Yeah, he's still not up to scratch to make it in, and a disappointment, Demar Gray. He made a U-turn on us. Played a couple of good games and then decided,
listen.
He even has his passport. Demar Gray has his passport.
Listen,
and
bro.
he made a U-turn on us. It's very disappointing.
I'm offended. If you don't want to play for Jamaica, bro, don't lead us on.
Don't lead us on.
I hate it. Don't lead us on.
Don't let us waste our paper to print a passport for you. Waste our time to ship it to you right at your doorstep.
Man, them run down England, bro. England don't want him.
Demar Gray will never be called up for the English national team.
Personally, I would take Mason Greenwood, Bukayo Saka, all of those players in front of Demar Gray. And some of those players are still not even in the squad. So why is this man wasting his time waiting on an England call up? I don't get it. But I guess Jamaica is on the back burner for him. I'm offended, but Demar Gray, we don't want it anymore, bro. Sorry.
We don't want it anymore.
Right.
And the last thing I really want to harp on is Leon Bailey being back into the squad. I think he deserves
I'm excited for that.
Yeah, he deserves to be spoken about a little bit individually. He finally needs to make an impact for the national team. And we'll be having a preview video in a couple of days, guys. But you guys will be surprised that I will not have Leon Bailey in my starting 11. But he will play against El Salvador. He will play against the United States of America.
Oh, I hear that lineup, bro. But
score some goals, Leon Bailey, please.
Also, one more player I think we should talk about. Mikel Antonio. 9 goals in 9 starts for West Ham, bro. I'm excited to see him in the yellow and green and black, bro. What do you think about that?
Some people have to prove themselves to me.
Alright, so everyone, thank you for watching this video. Really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And what you want to do?
Share the video.
Right. Please. Get on the mats. Get on the mats.
Yeah, if each our subscribers can just get us 5 subscribers each. We'll do the mats now.
I know that you guys are in the football groups, the fantasy groups, the ball game groups. Just send the link. Let the man know say we're talk some ball game. We're reasonable football, schoolboy football, Premier League, international football. We're doing it all. So share it. We really appreciate it.
Come over, interact with us, comment. Tell you how much me I talk sense and him I talk foolishness. You get me? So just interact with us, guys. Just share. Just continue to do the support. Continue push it further, and we'll go and put in the work.
Yeah. So finally, let us know what you like about this squad, what you don't like about the squad. Who do you have? Who do you want to remove from the squad? Yeah. So thank you for watching. Liverpool 7.
Oh, bro.